Welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Camogli, one of the most exquisite villages in Liguria, located on the west side of the peninsula of Portofino, and is very famous for being among the most romantic and colorful villages of this region. The property we will see today is just 10 minutes away from the center of this village, located on a hill overlooking this breathtaking sea. Are you ready? Come with me. And here we are by the villa, located on a quiet residential area just on top of Camogli. It is a 600 square meters villa with an ample garden and 4 car parking spaces. Let's go and see it. Have a look at this entrance gate. Just from the details, you can already tell how special this property is. Let's go inside. As soon as you walk inside, you realize how spacious this garden is. In fact, it is 800 square meters laid over different floors and levels. This to guarantee an incredible view on the Golfo Paradiso. All of this outdoor space grants a perfect location to relax with friends and family in the very pleasant climate of Liguria. As we get to the lower part of the garden, you notice how the villa is laid over 3 floors, with the ground floor dedicated to a beautiful apartment with independent access. It needs to be restored, but it would be perfect as a guest accommodation. Let's now access the villa from the first floor entrance door. As soon as you walk inside, you find yourself in this stunning entrance room. This villa dates back to the 1900s, but has been restored in the 2015, keeping all of the original features. As we walk through it, you realize how it is full of details, starting from these Venetian-style floors, going up to these beautiful columns, and also to these frescoes and stuccos on the ceilings. Let's now talk about the layout of the villa. As soon as you get inside, you find yourself in the entrance room with 2 doors. One on your right that gets to a bedroom with ensuite bathroom, perfect for a housekeeper, or to be turned into a studio. And on the left, you arrive in this living area with this beautiful mosaic floor and frescoed ceilings that has access to its own terrace. I love this terrace with this incredible view on the Golfo Paradiso of Camogli and, of course, the sea. Imagine having lunch or dinner al fresco out here with the breeze coming from the sea. Now let's talk about the rest of the spaces. Just beside the living area, we get to this sort of winter garden. In fact, it is perfect even in the winter time, with these big windows that get light from the outside, and this sitting area perfect for a coffee. Then we get to the dining area and TV room. All of the rooms are thought in such a way to enjoy this view and to enjoy the sunsets. In fact, it is full of windows. Let's now see the kitchen, which is just behind the corner. Right before the kitchen, on the right, there is a bathroom, which is a bathroom basically for guests. And then, if we keep going, we get to the kitchen with this marble floor and all the features that you could want. Now we're done with the ground floor of the villa. But before going upstairs, I want to show you this little door over there, from which you get to a spiral staircase that goes to the apartment and some service room on the ground floor. Let's now pass through these beautiful marble steps and go upstairs. As I walk up these stairs, you notice this huge window right behind me that gives so much light to the staircase. As I get to the entrance of the first floor, you can see the access to the 3 bedrooms of this villa. There are 2 on my right, 1 on the left and 1 on the right. That share a bathroom in the middle. Then on my left we get to this studio that could also be turned into a 4th bedroom. It is characterized by these big windows in the end, and it's full of details just like every other room, with these Venetian style floors and vaulted ceilings. And now that we're done with this room, let's see the master bedroom. As we pass through this door, we are already inside it. In fact, there is this hallway that brings to the bedroom, and through here we get to this huge bathroom with shower, jacuzzi, and the sink over here. And now let's pass through the hallway and get to the master bedroom. And through this hallway we get to the master bedroom with these really high ceilings that keep it fresh in the summertime, and over there a walk-in wardrobe. Have a look at this view from the window. And here we are, back on my favorite spot of this villa. From this terrace, you have a breathtaking view on the Golfo Paradiso, which means Gulf of Paradise in Italian. I hope you enjoyed this property, and I will see you next time. Ciao!